I do karaoke on Wednesdays.
Mondays, Mondays. What do you do on Mondays?
On Mondays, I usually listen to jazz music.
Tuesdays, Tuesdays. What do you do on Tuesdays?
On Tuesdays, I sometimes go for a drive.
Wednesdays, Wednesdays. What do you do on Wednesdays?
On Wednesdays, I always play the guitar.
Thursdays, Thursdays. What do you do on Thursdays?
On Thursdays, I often go to a rock concert.
Fridays, Fridays. What do you do on Fridays?
On Fridays, I always do karaoke.
Weekends, weekends. What do you do on weekends?
On weekends, I usually stay in